when you have a higher Z score, which is the strategies that we have at Solfix, then you are expected, the strategy is expected to have a string of consecutive wins followed by one or two consecutive losses. So that's what I wanted to touch upon. So if I go into more detail here, let's say that you started trading here with $1,000. Let's just say 1K. All right. So you started here with 1,000. You lost one. You won one. You lost one. Then you win again. You win again. And then you say, all right, now I'm gonna put it up to 2,000 because I'm winning. Okay, so then you win again, win again, win again, and now you want to decide to put it up to 3K because you're just, you're in the money, you're winning. So next win, you're gonna win even bigger with more money, with more capital, right? No. When you have a string of wins, the smart thing to do is to increase the capital after a loss because that's how the strategy is expected to behave. When you have a string of wins, then you really towards the end of it after 3 4 5 wins you should really actually lower the capital because it's expected from the Z score as I explained it's expected that a loss or a couple of losses will follow. So now what you did is won a bunch of money here and then you increase the capital to 3K and now you lost this one, so you lost more money than you won with 2,000 and 1,000. Then you win and then you lose it again. And then you start the win streak again. And that's the point. Now, after a loss, you should increase it. So it shouldn't be like this, it should be the other way. So let's start, for example, with 1K, right? Okay, maybe you go to two. Okay, right. You keep it at two, you keep it at two. Now four losses in, you go back to one, you stay at one, you stay at one, you stay at one, and now when you lose here, you're still at one, right? And now the chances of you having a win or a streak of wins are increased because the Z score of the strategy predicts that there's going to be a string of wins and then a couple of losses.